Well, we have my Mustang here, and I haven't started her for a few days. Obviously, she's covered in a bit of snow. Let's see if she'll start up nicely. I know it's gonna take a couple of attempts, but it might not be too bad. Let's just see here. Oh, my phone mount fell, apparently. But, which, that'll happen when it gets cold, unfortunately. It's one of these things. Definitely neutral. Okay, go 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4. That's not bad, actually. Surprisingly, not too bad. Running quite rich though, you can see out the back here. Off the cold start, but that's what happens when you have to pump it a few times like that. Once it warms up, it'll be better, but just listen to that cold idle. Absolute beauty. Now, luckily it's not too terribly cold out here. Like, it's minus about 14 Celsius. But I love this car. And then as it starts to warm up, you can hear that the idle starts to get a little higher. The cold idle doesn't work near as well when it's cold, unless with the carbs plugged in, or like the carbs plugged in with the block heater. But yeah.